Alright guys, so we're going to do a review of this Thrive Provisions. This is like a beef jerky type of beef bar. Take a look at that. This one, as you can see, it's made in Alberta, and it's basically gluten-free, 13 grams of protein, and this is the honey lime and black pepper. I tried the maple apple blueberry one. It's pretty good, so we'll do a quick taste of this one. And here is the ingredients. Wagyu beef, honey, dates, sea salt, citric acid, black pepper, and celery powder, and lime oil. So yeah, let's do a quick taste of this. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, it's a little oily, but it might just be the Wagyu beef. So let's do a quick taste of this. Ooh, spicy. That pepper is like, you can taste the pepper. Yeah, this one's got a kick, guys. Yeah, this one's kind of hot. If I had to choose one, I actually like the maple apple blueberry ones better. But if you like pepper, you'll love this one. Yeah, it's got some heat, and it just like hits you. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.